Head. Same. Are you green?
Yeah.
Thank God for that.
Yeah.
Around the face, good shot.
Come here. Oh, sorry, mate.
Oh, hey, lad.
Oh, shit. Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't expect you to revive me, mate. I forgot you were there. Have a good one, lads. Whew. That was scary. Watch your feet. Watch your feet, they are shooting.
Yeah, I know, we just got two.
And if you look low, there's one just underneath the trailer dead ahead of us. You see his legs probably.
Yep.
Ah, you fucker.
Sorry, GoPro.
You recording?
Yeah. Say hello to YouTube.
Hi.
It's what we love to see. The action from the public. There's one.
Right, I'll try to spot them. You try and hit them.
Doing my best, but my gun's not very accurate, unfortunately.
Okay, I can't see anyone.
Me neither. Encouraging start, gentlemen. Encouraging start. Oh, hello. So you got vehicle support.
Are we technically mechanised infantry now?
Yeah. No. I don't know.
Oh, I've got cramp.
The first game, man.
I told you, you're right.
Limber up, gentlemen.
Do you reckon people in the
What rule is it in
I'm not going to die, but let me...
What rule is it in Zombieland about limbering up?
Exactly.
Like rule 27 or something? Or rule 3 maybe? I don't know. Because rule 1's cardio.
Yeah. Rule 2, seatbelts.
Well, 3's don't go into toilets without checking. What's up?
Where?
Not sure, can't see him.
Somewhere that way.
If you keep me covered, I might be able to double time it straight to the next trailer, right by the wheels.
What, this blue one right here?
The blue one, yeah.
I
Just
mean,
question is either side.
right, I have an idea.
Me neither.
No, my gun's shorter range than yours.
Yeah, I think
Let's give you
most
a
people are
bait
short range.
tactic.
I think most people are short range. Alright, I'll come to your side, see if you can get anyone on scope.
Right, I'm going to go between here and get shot.
Can't see anyone. It's friendly. Oh, hit! Oh, right in the butt cheeks. Where's our spawn point again?
There somewhere.
Cheers. Oh, right in the butt cheeks.
Watch out, sniper, right?
Great, just what we need. Oh shit.
Language, please! Yeah.
Watch your right, watch your right.
Watch your right and your left.
Man out.
Oh, hit.
Get your toe back up.
Oh. Pushing hard, right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hit! that didn't work. Yeah, they're flanked both sides. Ah, there's the bastard. Yeah, they attacked us from both sides off the, right at the start.
Sit down.
Whoop.
I'm not watching that in orange camera. You've got a red band on your arm, like on that side. I promise I wasn't trying to tell you then. I'm going Oh!
Over there. Oh. Got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Moving straight ahead. Okay, don't drag away, don't shoot us out, you don't drag away. Oh, hit! Hit! Dead players, dead players! Not too long, you dude, we've been abandoned.
yeah, not shocking.
Oh, hello, someone's in the bunker. That's clever. We're still dead over here. We are still dead. Alright, we got no chance of getting medics. Everyone can maybe fall back. Dead players walking! Dead players walking! At least we hold the majority of the objectives, that's good.
Whoa! We're not really fighting for Aberdeen. Come on, non-bans!
You should watch the right flank, there's all action over there.
The objectives are on the parade square! You should have told them no H-spot. The big area with all the lorries!
You sound like a proper drill sergeant.
Oh no.
Chaps on the right flank, how's it looking so far?
Get your wussy asses on this parade square right now, Sergeant!
That didn't sound good.
It's basically going to play as long
Whoa, what? Hit, hit, hit! Well, you caught me by surprise. Well, that's what we get for standing around doing bugger all. Oh, I see shots coming from the left. Watch your left, shots coming.
Right side. Left side door.
Give me a second, buddy, I'll get to you. Have it up. 1, 2. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boom. And fall back.
More nettles in my hand.
Ah, nettles.
Little bit encumbered here, Dom. I'll be over in a minute.
All Bravo teams, this is Bravo 5. What's your situation? Over.
More professional. Alright, how's it going? That's my one.
This is Bravo 5, roger. We're on the left flank attempting to push, but we're taking heavy casualties. Over. Bravo 5, roger that. 1, 8, 9, go. Has World War III been declared? Fucking hell. Potentially. Might have the same radios.
It's in a completely different, like, thingy, so... Oh, that's a Marshall. Sorry!
Oh, that was close. Right, they're dead. Try and push forwards. Don't give them an inch. Yeah, most of them are in the compound, so I'm just trying to push it. Most of them are in the compound. 2 are in black netting off to the right of the pathway next to where the marshals were standing. He's already there. Right. Can you see any black netting on the right where they might be where 2 of them might be standing? A bit like curve around, probably round about where the marshal's sitting. Yeah, there are 2 of them tucked in behind it. Shit, where'd you get? Good cover. Yeah, get your hand up. Right, give me cover, I'm going to get to him. Ready, lad, when I get to you, I'm going to drag you down the hill. Go! Down the hill. Oh, that's it, go, down. Lay. 5. Good. Right, majority of them are inside the compound. There's 2 guys off the right side of the path behind black netting. Stay down, I saw shots come in. Don't know where that came from. Can't see anyone there. Right.
How far is that compound? Is it in line with that fern tree?
10-15 metres right in front of the green netting.
Over the hill I have a fire on me.
Hello fellas! How are we doing today? Hey! Where did that come from? Very quick. No kill! Can you medic? Oh no, don't throw over the top. You got to imagine it's like a roof. You can't throw over the top. If you rush over to this side, can you medic me? 1, 2. Tuck in tight. If I was you, tuck in tight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14. Go. You okay? Yeah, best respawn, lad. Keep your hand up. How you doing, buddy? Could be better. Good for your perspective, bad from mine. Yeah. Right, I won't push around for you because you see what that lad is. Yeah. How much shooting gap? Can you tuck in that gap and you know where that open area is? Can you jump it in there? Have you got another grenade you can use? See that open gap? Try and launch it in there if you can. Oh, hello, there's one to the right here as well. Hello, gentlemen. How are we this fine day? That's good. Ah, the standoff.
Tell him to go back.
Well played, 2 kills, well played. I'll chuck your grenade back. Here, mate. 2 kills, well done, lads. That was fun.
cheater today, so.
Big fun?
We're going for a cheater today.
Oh, nice one.
We should have brought a camera now. Works so much.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Jesus, where did that come from?
Two contracts with what?
Damn it. They're behind us, they're behind us!
Nice one.
Oh, you caught me off guard there, lad.
Nice one.
Could have got a knife kill there. Oh, I should have gone for a knife kill.
Nice shot.
Oh, nice push, lad. Good attempt. Yeah, yeah.
Scared the shit out of me.
Yeah, I saw you run straight down.
So you blue?
Yeah.
I am.
Oh, you're blue?
Yeah.
Oh, fucking hell. I saw you run down. Jesus, sorry, lad.
There you go.
You know you can respawn right there, right?
Yeah, but.
Hit. Dead man walking. Dead man walking. Yep. Ah, bloody ammo ran out. Oh, hello again. Dead man coming up. Boom. You know what, when you first came through, I was so tempted to knife kill you. Dead man coming out.
Non-vans we have.
Oh, dear.
Right, let's push up.
Whew. Dead man coming through. Dead bandit.
You sure you did well?
I'm pretty sure. I took one right in the hip, so I'm pretty sure. Oh, ow, hello, hello. Give me a chance. Oh, out again, out again. Ah, that's me nuts, that's me nuts. I'm trying already, give a man a chance.